Jai Srimanarayana. 156th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Amoghaya Namaha. O Srimanarayana, I realize that your actions never goes waste. O Srimanarayana, your activities always a fulfillment of some great purpose. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Amoghaya Namaha. Om Amoghaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, to make sure none of our divine, none of our good works goes waste. With the meditation upon Srimanarayana, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami, they are doing pradakshina to Suyagnya, who is the son of Vasishtha Maharshi. And now they are giving so many gifts and they are giving so many donations to Suyagnya. Rama gave beautiful ornaments to Suyagnya and now asking Suyagnya, Sita is going to give her own ornaments. So you please take those ornaments and give it to your wife. And O Suyagnya, O Brahmanottama, my uncle gave me a beautiful, powerful, the elephant which is named after Shatrunjaya. I am now going to give that elephant along with thousands of other elephants to you. Please accept all of our gifts and donations and bless all of us. Like that, Rama gave so many things to Suyagnya, and now going to have Lakshmana do all that generous activities. Rama is asking Lakshmana, you go ahead and donate so many cows and so much of wealth to Agastya Mahamuni, Vishwamitra Mahamuni, and make sure they are very much satisfied. O Lakshmana, there are some of the great scholars who always will be chanting one of the branches from our Vedas, which is known as Taittiriya Shakha. There are so many scholars who chants that part of branch of our Vedas, and they always respects our mom Kausalya Devi. They always blesses Kausalya Mata. Now, Lakshmana, you go ahead and make sure all those scholars, all those Veda Pandits are satisfied. You donate everything, so many things to them, so that they will be very much satisfied. Lakshmana, there is a Brahmana called Chitraratha who is very much close to our father Dasharatha Maharaju. Make sure he is also honored very well. O Lakshmana, there are so many Veda Pandits, so many Brahmacharis, so many Acharya Purushas. All of them, they are always involved in teachings, spreading Vedic, our tenets. So they never get a chance, they never get enough time to gain for them, earn for them. So that is why we have to take care of them. You go ahead and make a very good amount of donations to all of them and satisfy all of them. O Sumitra Nandana Lakshmana, look at that. There are so many brahmacharis came to our mom, our mother Kausalya Devi. Give them to each and every one of them thousands of cows to all those brahmacharis. Like that, Ramachandra Swami instructing our Lakshmana and also saying that, oh Lakshmana, Mother Kausalya Devi should be very happy with what we are doing. To that extent, we have to satisfy all our acharyas, all our Veda Pandits, all our brahmacharis. In all aspects, they should be satisfied. Like that, Rama told Lakshmana and turned towards all the maids who works in his own home and Lakshmana's home, Lakshmana's palace. Now Rama saying that, oh my dear people, as and how you have been taking care of my palace and Lakshmana's palace, you please continue doing that. Rama, while talking to them, Rama's eyes were filled up with tears. Rama telling them, you take care of our both palaces until I come back. You take care of our both mothers, Kausalya Devi and Sumitra Devi, very well until I come back. Like that, Rama told them and made sure so much of wealth is given to all of them. Then they all moved to tears and they all started crying a lot. After that, Rama had Lakshmana bring all the wealth belongs to Rama. He put all those coins and all the money in front of Rama. Now Rama is distributing all that wealth to each and every one, those who are in need. At that time, one Brahmana whose name is Trijatta, he came. He belongs to the dynasty of Garga Muni. So that Brahmana came to Rama. He is so poor. He does always takes the things which are there on the roads and he gets his bread and butter for a day like that. To that extent he is so poor. Now he came to Rama. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 17th sloka. Upendro Vamanaha Pramsuhu Amoghaha Suchihi Urjitaha Atindraha Sangrahaha Sargo ధృతాత్మా నియమో యమః. ఓం సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఓం అమోఘాయ నమః. ఓం అమోఘాయ నమః. ఓం అమోఘాయ నమః.